Hello everyone, in this lecture, we are going to explain the use of till, until, and still. But, if you are new to my channel then please like and subscribe the channel. Let's move and start it from the word, still. It can be defined as still, is used to mean that something is happening now or continues to happen. He is still working on his project. Look at this example. The word, still, is an adverb which is used to show that his working on the project is still in progress. So, you can see that this word is used to show that working on the project is still continue. The birds are still singing. Observe this examples. The word, still, is used again to show the continuity of an action, that is, singing of the birds. Basically, it shows that the singing of the bird was started in the past and still continues up to the present time. The patient is still under observation. Again the word, still, is used to show that the action of observation was started in the past and still continue. Simply, you can say, this word is used to talk about an action started in the past and still continue. On the other hand, the word, until. The word until is used to express a point in time up to which something continues. What does it mean? Simply, it means that the word, until, is used to talk about an activity which continues until another activity. Or, you can say that this is used when we talk about an activity which stops when another activity starts. Just look at these examples. I will wait here until you come back. Look at this sentence. The word, until, is used. Actually, this sentence shows two activities. The first one is, waiting and, the second, is coming back. Simply, it means that I will continue my waiting until you return. So, it means that my waiting will be finished or stopped when you come back. The next example. The shop is open until 6 p.m. Again the word, until, is used to talk about the two activities, the opening of the shop, and the closing of the shop. So, it means that the shop will continue to open until the clock strikes 6 p.m. So, you can see here, one activity continues till another activity. I won't give up until I achieve my goals. Observe this example. The word, until, is again used in this example. Just look at this sentence. Again there are two activities. The one activity is giving up and the second is achieving the goals. So, it means that I will not give up until I achieve my goals. And on the other hand, the word, till. Till is a less formal version of the word until. It can be used in the same way as until to express a point in time up to which something continues. Simply, it means that the word, till, also functions the same way as, until, but it is less formal. And, it also expresses a time up to which an activity continues. Just look at these examples. I'll wait here till you come back. Just look at this sentence. The word, till, is used to talk about two activities like waiting and coming back. So, you can see, it functions the same as the word, until. So, you should not be confused with the use of until. Because they function the same. The next example is, the shop is open till 6 p.m. Observe this sentence. Again the word, till, is used in the place of, until. We won't leave till the work is done. Again the word, till, is used instead of the word, until. Simply, you can replace the word, till, instead of until. Well, if you have enjoyed this lecture then please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.